Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm going to be finishing the shirts. I'm going to be doing the front side of these bad boys. They need them by today. Right now is currently, what time is it? It's 8 a.m. I woke up a little bit early. I have to get started on the front of the shirts, the front of the sweaters, and hopefully I get done in time. I have another order that I have to get started on. I'm gonna go pick those shirts up later on today. And yeah, so hopefully the day goes by smoothly, and hope you guys enjoy this video. Burning the screen, I'm going to burn the screen for 2 minutes, and it should be done, ready to go. So I just wait here patiently while this is done. Finally got the screen put on. Hopefully it works out. I'm gonna give it a test print here shortly and see what happens. How good that looks. Perfect. I'm gonna let the flash warm up, and after that we're ready for production. Let's do this. So I just got a call from my client for the little shirts. So apparently they got a new player, so they need another gold shirt. These gold shirts that I have here, I ordered them, and they shipped them to my house. So they need them by today. I'm gonna go and pick one up. It's not the same exact brand, but hopefully it matches the color, and just get it done. I did let the customer know about that. So I'm gonna head out right now and go pick up the shirts. I also have to go pick up the shirts for the other order I have to do, so it works out. I placed the order for that one gold one and for 29 other shirts that I had to do. So yeah, I'm gonna go do that now. guys, so finally got these done. So the fronts are done for all 12 shirts. Bam, bam. They look very good. So now what I have to do is the sweaters. It's gonna be, I'm gonna use the same screen, but I have to clean out the ink. I have to take out all the black ink and use the gold ink. So I have to clean this up, and then we're ready to start the sweaters, the front of the sweaters. Let's go. Alright guys, so finally got them all done. Here's the front of the hoodie. Here's the front of the polyester shirts. Here's the back of the sweaters. So finally got it done. It took me about a day and a half to get them all finalized and completed. They look very good. So it was 13 sweaters and 13 shirts. I went to pick up the other shirts that I need to do, the next order. So it's going to be 14 or 15 purples and 14 or 15 of these yellow shirts. It's going to be the theme of the movie Dodgeball, Purple Cobras, and the Average Joes. I'll get started on that. Should have all of this completed by tomorrow. Stay tuned guys for my next vlog. I'll show you guys how these come out. So here's the final look. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys enjoyed my screen printing work. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment and I'll reply right away. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.